Good afternoon po mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ang inyong pong lingkod. So today is May 2, 2026 at tayo may napupunta dyan sa may Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center ngayon sa Project 6 Quezon City, Diliman, Quezon City. At dadalhin po natin yan sa may Scout Gandia Street sa Blue Heart, Diliman, Quezon City. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamaya unti po pag nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lang po, ang content po natin na kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sakasakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government o private man yun, ay wala pong kilala ay channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Magbabalik po tayo mamaya unti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Balik tayo na mga nagbabagong balitan talaga yan.
Kilala, parang I will market it to mga corporate, small corporate companies. Lahat ng platform kasi every year they have a get together, meron silang bonding or what, look of 20 to 25. Otherwise, hindi na lang po kasi medyo malayo kami.
Yeah, that's the thing now. You can choose who can be your guest. Very effective.
Yes, sir.
Acceptable. I remember when we go to the one of KBS Foundation, not everybody is allowed there. Kailangan convenient.
Yes, sir.
Keep it friendly, convenient. Okay, that's acceptable. Alam namin na busy-busy ka kung running out of time. Ito yung mensahe sa milyong fans kagaya namin ni ML.
Yes.
Greet your fans, not even abroad, they're in the Philippines.
I know, I always listen to DZR.
Okay, go ahead now.
Sa TV ko.
YouTube ito ma'am, YouTube and Facebook Live. Go ahead, for the listeners, DZRH Radio 660. Go ahead ma'am.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for listening to my little, what do you call this, journey. My journey in life. So, andito lang po ako. I will even ng balance, whatever I can do na kaya ko. Call me. Corey, thank you for having me. Ricky, engineer, thank you for this opportunity. And God bless us all. God bless you, Isabel. Pero alam ko,
God bless you, Isabel.
sa TV, no, sa telenovela.
Okay,
Diba? Wait lang, mainit ang panahon. Alam na, senior na tayo, baka matapos na tayo sa init.
Okay.
Love you. I love you, Isabel. Thank you, Engineer. Thank you, Sir Ricky.
Okay.
See you later.
So all done for 50 last minute. Colin, may babatiin ka ba?
Oh, lahat ng may birthday ngayon, happy birthday! At hello rin kay Danny Canubat na nakikinig nanonood ngayon ng Bites Hall. Hello, Danny.
Emer, happy birthday, Emer.
Mountain Province, the Tayabas family, nanonood po sila sa Mountain Province. Happy birthday, Architect people, nandiyan kami mamaya. And of course, pagaling ka, best friend, Francisco Soler, yan.
At ako naman advance birthday sa aking yung mga kolo. May 5. Ang name of Christian Monson at nasa langit na. It also happens to be
Drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood hanggang sa muli. Ingat po at God bless. Paalam po muna, pansamantala tayo ay gagawa na ng ibang video sa ating susunod na mission. Paalam po muna, pansamantala. This is Jam, the Filipino channel, ang inyo pong katpaalam po.